Hey everyone, my name is Lathan and I'm here to talk about the exciting world of PC gaming graphics. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, I think you'll find today's discussion both informative and entertaining. So let's dive right in. One of the biggest advantages of PC gaming over console gaming is the ease of upgrading your hardware. This means that you can always enjoy the latest and greatest games with the best visuals possible. And when it comes to graphics, PC gaming offers an unrivaled experience that simply can't be matched by consoles. However, some of the games are more demanding than others, and to get the most out of these games, you'll need a powerful PC. Take Forspoken for example. This highly anticipated game features stunning graphics and a large open world to explore. And to run Forspoken at its best, the developers recommend using a GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card. This GPU is capable of delivering high frame rates, fast load times, and stunning visuals, making it a great choice for Forspoken and other demanding games. It's worth mentioning that the RTX 3070 is a relatively expensive graphics card, with prices starting around $499 US. But for many PC gamers, the performance and visuals are worth the cost. The Steam Hardware Survey, which tracks hardware used by Steam users, provides valuable insights into hardware used by PC gamers. And according to the 2023 survey, the most popular GPU among players is the GTX 1650. And while this GPU is not as powerful as the 3070, it still offers solid performance for most games and is a popular choice for budget-conscious players. It's worth noting that the GTX 1650 is beneath the recommended requirements for many big AAA games, but it just goes to show that not everyone needs to have the latest and greatest hardware to enjoy PC gaming. And in the world of competitive esports, the trend is moving towards higher resolutions such as 1440p, which provides a more immersive gaming experience and gives players an edge in competitive games. This is why many professional gamers are choosing to switch from 1080p to 1440p. PC gaming offers the best graphics experience, and for some games, having a powerful graphics card is crucial. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles such as Forspoken or competing in esports, investing in a good graphics card will help you get the most out of your gaming experience. Keeping in mind that high-end graphics cards can be expensive, with a RTX 3070 starting at $499, but for many PC gamers, the performance and visuals are worth the cost. So, I want to ask you guys, what GPU do you guys have, and when are you planning on upgrading? I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on PC gaming graphics. So, feel free to share in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed our discussion about PC gaming graphics. If you have any questions or you want to continue the conversation, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Take care, and I hope to talk to you soon.